Adora dreams of enchanted gardens filled with warm-hued florals. Every Sunday, she replenishes her home with fresh-cut flowers from the nearest farmer's market. Her choice in shoe complements her love for florals, hinting subtleties of renewal and romance.
Oh, the Adora, one of our favorites. If you are a floral girl, then this pair is for you. And honestly, this girl, me. I love a good pair of flats, and they are so hard to find. Most flats are just super frumpy, but this one is far from it. From far away, you can see the ethereal sparkles, but up close is where the real magic begins. It's so delicately handcrafted. The beadwork and the hand-sewn petals of chiffon flowers inspire romance. This pair makes a statement, and a beautiful one. Look at the heavy padding here. It adds an extra layer of comfort to the shoe. Comfortable, yet delicate, simple, yet extravagant. Flat dreams really do come true with the Adora.